Are you looking to connect Mailchimp with Elementor in WordPress? First, go to the Mailchimp dashboard, click your profile picture and click Account. Select Extras and then API Keys. Scroll down and click Create a Key. Scroll down, select the API key and copy it. Now let's open the WordPress dashboard. In the dashboard, select Elementor and then click Settings. Then, surf to the Integration tab. Find a Mailchimp field and paste the API key. To make sure it works, click Validate API key. Green checkmark? Great, let's save the changes. So you want to connect Mailchimp to a form on your website? No problem. Select the form you want to alter by clicking the pencil icon. Then, under Actions after Submit, add Mailchimp. Open the Mailchimp section and select the audience you would like to use. Finally, match the Elementor form fields with the matching Mailchimp fields in the drop-down menu and hit Publish to bring the changes to your website. Well, that's it. Woo! Hard day of work. Time for a coffee break.